जय सीताराम। रामराज सीता माताओं से ही साथ। मेल रूल फेल, female rule hail. This is a new theory. We can't change the past. Let us build the future. Sri Sitaram Dharma Prachar Kshetram. This is the movement of the new theory. This is the channel of the movement of the new theory. Aim of this movement and channel is to defeat money bonds and strengthen human bonds. This is the fourth video of this movement. In this video, let me discuss as to why Sri Ram, whose name was given to the unparalleled system of rule as Ram Raj, is so profound and heartfelt God of Bharat. Because this is a theory, every word and sentence in this video is important. So please don't skip the video here till the end. I made a separate video on each and every point expressed in this theory. I shall upload one by one. This is your video. Please hear for your sake and for the sake of your children. The views and opinions expressed in this theory as well as the videos do not represent any person or a group of persons, and any resemblance is purely coincidence. When a bullet pierced into the heart of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, the word came out of his mouth was, Hey Ram, the name of an ideal hero suggested by Maharishi Narad to the first poet of Bharat, Maharishi Valmiki, to write an epic about was Sri Ram. The first epic of Bharat, Ramayana of Maharishi Valmiki, was retold by many a poet like Tulasi Ramayana, Ranganath Ramayana, Ramayana Kalpavriksha, Mulla Ramayana, Kamba Ramayana, and so on, in their respective languages and in their respective views of devotion and emotion. The ideal hero of all those works is Sri Ram. One can find a temple in every small village where there may not exist 10 houses, particularly in Telugu states. The god of those temples is Sri Ram. Of course, letters and document writing in manuscript is not in existence today. If you look back to 2 generations, they used to start writing with the word Sri Ram. Meaning of Ram's arrow and Ram's word is that irrevocable. After all, why Lord Sri Ram became so profound and heartfelt God of Bharatvasis, the Indians? Is it so because he was one of the incarnations of Lord Vishnu? No. There were 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Among all of them, Sri Ram is the only incarnation which was depicted as a normal human with no supernatural powers and led his life with full of hardships and sorrows. Is it because Sri Ram lifted Shivadhanush? Not at all. Sita Mata lifted Shivadhanush earlier as if a normal bow. Not only that, Ravan lifted the mountain Kailas along with Lord Shiva and kept on his heads. It might not be impossible for him to lift the Shivadhanush, but he shall not do it. That's why he could not do it. Then, is it because Sri Ram was son that never said no to his father? Not at all. Earlier to Lord Sri Ram, the warrior Rishi Parshuram cut the head of his mother Renuka, obeying the order of his father. In Mahabharata, Devabharat, son of King Shantanu, was declared Bhishma for taking an oath to live as a bachelor forever for the sake of his father. Is that because of his affection with his brothers? Again, no. In Mahabharata, affection of Pandavas among themselves, and even though in evil deeds, affection of Kauravas also was not less. All the 99 brothers of Duryodhana sacrificed their lives for the false ego of their elder brother. Is that because of the friendship bond with Sugriva and Vibhishan? No. The friendship between Karan and Duryodhana was said to be very great. Is that because of standing by his word? Again, no. King Harishchandra comes first of this quality. Is that because Sri Ram killed the demon Ravan and saved the good? No. The very purpose of all the incarnations of Lord Vishnu was to punish the evil and to save the good. Then what's the speciality of Sri Ram? First reason is Ekapatni Vrat, the principle of one life, one wife. This was taught by nobody else earlier. Sri Ram practiced the principle himself first and taught us. Thus he became the ideal, became the profound god of Bharat. He obeyed his father, but he did not follow his father of being polygamy. Sri Ram did not look at Surpanakha, a beautiful sister of Ravan, when she expressed her lust to Sri Ram. Second reason is aversion to wealth. Sri Ram did not felt joy when he was proposed for the throne. He was not sorrow when he was asked to go to the forest wearing the coarse clothes made of jute. When his brother Bharat met Sri Ram in the forest with his mother Kaikeyi and requested him to take over the throne back and rule the country, Sri Ram simply refused. After killing Ravan, Sri Ram made Vibhishan the king of golden Lanka. He did not even think of merging Lanka with his kingdom Kosala. In brief, it's the ideology of Sri Ram to treat other women than his wife like his mother and others' wealth like a piece of grass. The greatness of this principle is that it's the solution for the safety and well-being and development of the human society. That is why Sri Ram became the profound and heartfelt god of Bharat. Third reason is patriotism. It was none other than Sri Ram who told about patriotism. After the death of Ravan, when his brother Vibhishan requested Sri Ram to stay in Golden Lanka, Sri Ram simply rejected, saying that Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi means motherland is equal to mother and greater than heaven. Fourth reason is chastity of men. Before the birth of Sri Ram, the concept of chastity was attributed to women only. Many stories were told about the great women who were chaste, that is, honest and faithful to their husbands. Chastity was not felt essential for the men. A man can marry any number of women and can enjoy any number of prostitutes. That was only Sri Ram who attributed the chastity to men too. He taught us by practicing himself. The four principles and ideologies that Sri Ram practiced and taught us are Ekapatni Vrat, one life, one wife, aversion to wealth, patriotism and chastity of men. Ekapatni Vrat, one life, one wife is the most important principle. One who follows Ekapatni Vrat follows the other three principles automatically. That's why Sri Ram became the profound and heartfelt god of Bharat. Ramraj is sure to come on that day when all women like Sita Matas teach the principle of one life, one wife to their husbands, brothers and sons and make them Sri Rams. That is why Ramraj, Sita Mata wo sehi saath, male rule fail, female rule hail. The important points of the videos of this channel so far are: this is a new theory. Ramraj, Sita Mata wo sehi saath, male rule fail, female rule hail. All women are gods, all demons are men. Those who give birth are gods, those who kill are demons. There is a man behind every spoiled woman, and he may be her father or her husband or her son. Ravans are emerging with the mindset, all women should be spoiled except my wife. Women like Sita Matas only can change the men like Ravans into Sri Rams. The basis of this new theory are women. The path is the self-respect of women. The aim is the welfare state called the Ramraj. First step of this movement is abolition of Divorce Act. Till then, let us forget the Divorce Act and save our families, because the Divorce Act was created to destroy the marriage system. Second step is the real empowerment of women. Third step is eradication of prostitution. Ramraj is where there is no prostitution. If the Third World War should not come, Ramraj should come not only in Bharat but also in all the countries. When all men are Sri Rams, that is the Ramraj. The principles and ideologies of Sri Ram are Ekapatni Vrat, one life, one wife, aversion to wealth, patriotism, and chastity of men too. If you like this new theory, this new movement, this new war of Satyagraha, please take part in this movement. Like this video and subscribe. Share to your friends and relations. Ask them to like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon. That's it. You are part of this movement. Please like all the videos of this channel till this movement succeeds. In the next video, I shall discuss as to how many wives Lord Shiv had who was worshipped by Sri Ram. Finally, this video is meant only for those Hindus who believe in Lord Sri Ram. Also for those Hindus who don't believe. For any person who respect the women. Jai Hind, Jai Sitaram.